Hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Today, we talk about a different family, Mr. and Mrs. Karim family. Two physicians, two doctors that come from abroad, and they are looking for the perfect house that will welcome their growing family. They have already a teenage daughter and an elementary student boy. But they also have twins coming in 1 month. So let's start the tour. Ready? Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Karim are looking for the perfect house. They come and see one of the perfect houses in the neighborhood for them. They come in and they see the living room. The living room is large and bright with wide windows that let the sunlight come in and brighten all the room. Against one wall, they think they will place a long, comfortable sofa and a big rug, where their children will play and have a lot of fun. A wooden coffee table will hold books and family photos. On winter nights, they will sit together near the fireplace and drink hot chocolate, talking about their day. Every Christmas, a tall tree will stand by the corner with the smell of cinnamon and fresh cookies. So you see, this is the description of what they imagine will be the perfect living room for their family in the future. The future will. All these imaginary scenarios are in their heads, and they think this is the perfect place where they will enjoy Christmas, birthday parties, and nice talks. Okay? Future will. So that is the first room they visited. Don't forget to follow us and keep track of the story. No se olviden de seguirnos para continuar con la historia. Ahora, hay que darle clic, gustar, comentar y buscarnos en TikTok y en YouTube. Ahí podemos interactuar, hacer comentarios, preguntas que gustosamente estaré contestando a la brevedad posible. See you soon, speechers.